A warm good morning to all the brilliant stars of Sri Gokulam Public School. Welcome once again to the English online class. So in today's class, we are moving into the writing section. I hope you are well aware that in English from 11th standard onwards, writing section is very important and a chunk of your marks comes from the writing section. So in the last class, I had explained about notice writing, and for our online assessment, I noticed that majority of you have not gone into the format and the instructions given. So my dear children, please focus on the instructions and the format for the writing section, because this is very important. It is very easy to score marks for writing section. Only thing is that you need to follow the instructions and the format. So in today's class, we are going into the complaint letter. Now what do you mean by complaint letter? Whenever we are purchasing something from shops or any other places, and we find after coming home, sometimes it might be damaged. We are doing a lot of online purchases also. So when something is being delivered and that when you receive that item, perhaps there is a damage in the item delivered to you, or when you are purchasing from shops, the items might show some functioning problems. So since it is not much time we have brought that thing, what we do is that we write a letter to the person. It could be this customer service, it could be the manager, it could be any concerned authority. We write a letter and inform them about the complaints that you are having and the necessary action to be taken along with it. So there are a few important things that you need to focus on when you are writing a complaint letter, which I will be explaining to you when I explain the letter format to you. Now the letter format in general is the same for all official and business letter. Now what is the letter format that we have studied? First we have the sender's address, then we have the date, then the receiver's address, then subject, salutation, body of the letter, which is divided into three parts, that is introduction, explanation of the problem, and then the conclusion. Then you have the subscription or the ending closing lines like yours truly, yours sincerely, etc. Then your name and signature. This is the general format for all official letters. Now complaint letter. What are the important things to be included in the complaint letter? Basically we are looking into the content part of the complaint letter. Of that we will go in detail. So let's get started with today's class. So children, this is your sample complaint letter. I will explain the format of the complaint letter with this sample letter. Okay, so first of all, we start with the address of the sender, the sender's address. How do you write the sender's address? You start the sender's address with the specific address details, like it could be your house name, XYZ house, your house name, followed by in the next line the place. Generally these two parts are only needed. Okay, your house name, street name, road name, anything, either one of them, and below that your place. Then leave a line and then write the date. As I have already informed, all official writing, when you are putting the date will come as date, month and year. So here you have got 25th February 2020. So it always has to come in that format only. You cannot put numbers 25 to 20, that is not allowed. The month has to be mentioned in full. Okay, then below that is the receiver's address. So how do you write the receiver's address? Always receiver's address starts with the designation of the receiver, whom you are writing the letter to. Here it is the customer service manager, You can put it as the customer service manager or simply the manager, or you can put as customer service executive, or you can put it as the complaint cell manager, anything. The designation should be mentioned first, and then the address of the receiver. What is the address of the receiver? Definitely the name of the shop should be there, okay, where it is located and the place. Okay, so here it is XYZ Electronics, NYC Market, Gurgaon, and the PIN number is there. Even if you don't write the PIN number also, it is okay. But these details should be there. The designation, the name of the shop, the place should be mentioned over there. Okay, so these parts should be included when you are putting the receiver's address. Then comes the subject. Subject of the letter is definitely the complaint that you have. Here it is the replacement of defective TV set, replacement of the wristwatch, laptop screen not displayed, keyboard keys not working. Any kind of complaint that you have, that specific complaint should be mentioned in the subject in maximum of 3 to 4 words only. Highlight on that 3 to 4 words. Okay. Then the body of the letter starts, which is the most important part in the letter writing. What are the things to be included in the body of the letter? Like I said, the body of the letter is divided into 3 parts. First is the introduction, then the explanation, and then the conclusion. The 3 parts should be there. So in the introduction part, what will you put? Introduction part, first of all, you have to introduce yourself. Okay, I so and so person. Okay, have purchased a TV set for your, have purchased an LG TV set from your showroom on February 25th, 2020 against the bill number is given there, but I regret to inform you that the TV is not working. Okay, so that is the introduction. Now, introduction part in the complaint letter, specifically we are looking for 2-3 items. What are those important specifications that should be included in the complaint letter? First of all, the product, LG TV set, HP laptop, Samsung mobile, and the model number. Okay, whatever product you have purchased, that product should be mentioned over there. That is the first thing. Second thing, when you purchased it, date of purchase should be mentioned in that first line. Third thing, when you are purchasing something, they will give you a bill. In that bill, there will be a bill number or invoice number or reference number. Some sort of number will be there on that bill. That bill number should be mentioned. And the amount of the product. So 4 things, here the amount is not mentioned, but 4 things should be definitely there in the introduction part of the letter of a complaint letter. First is the product, second is the date of the product, third is the bill number, fourth is the amount of purchase. These 4 things should be mentioned in the introduction paragraph of the complaint letter. Simple 1 sentence only you need to write. And then second paragraph, you can either put it as points and mention it or write it as a paragraph. Either way it is correct. What is the specific details of the complaint? Okay, so here they are telling about the TV set. So here volume of the TV set is a problem. Then pictures is also the screening of the TV is also a problem. If you are buying a refrigerator, you can say that the light inside the refrigerator is not working or it is not cooling properly. If you are having a mobile phone, you can say that the mobile phone charger is not working, or it is not charging properly, or there is a problem in the display of the mobile phone. Whatever complaint is there, just explain that complaint in the next paragraph. Then last is the conclusion part. In the conclusion part, you are explaining what kind of replacement you are expecting. Solution for the problem is what you are telling. Okay, you can tell that it is under the warranty period, so you want the replacement of the item. If it is a mobile phone, a watch, or any other small item, you can ask for a replacement. Or you can say that if it is some bigger items like a washing machine or a refrigerator or an AC, to replace that it is not possible. So what will you ask? You will ask for a technician to come and fix the problem. So you are expecting a technician to come and solve the problem. That way you can say. Okay. Now suppose if it is you have a damaged product has been delivered to you. That also you can say that when I received the item, it was a damaged product, so you want to get it replaced. Okay, so that way also you can put it. So either you can ask for a replacement, or you can ask for a technician to come and solve the problem. Like that, one solution you have to provide over there. You can simply put your grievance. Grievance means your complaint, by telling that if necessary action is not taken within the given time, you might think about putting a complaint at the consumer court or some other action. Okay, action will be taken by you. So that way also you can put. So here what they have said is that they would like to get the set replaced or send some technicians to look into the matter. Okay, so here that is what they have asked for. So similar way you can put your conclusion, and after that what will you do? You will write your complimentary clause. Your complimentary clause is yours faithfully. Here it is yours faithfully. Generally we put it as yours truly. So yours truly, your name and your signature. That is all the format for the complaint letter writing. Very simple, very easy to follow, and very easy to score marks. Letter writing generally it comes for 8 marks. So very easy to score marks, 8 marks in your letter writing section. Now let me just show you 2 more sample letters. Here we have got a complaint letter for receiving a damaged product. I want you to focus on the conclusion part over here. Here in the conclusion part they says that if you don't see, I am requesting you to send a person to take this damaged good bags and deliver me the same product in good state. So replacement. They have asked for a replacement, or if you don't have the product, you can refund the money. So that is also one solution, getting the refund. You can ask for you don't want it to get replaced also, you can ask for refund of the money. Now look into this. This is for a complaint letter for the poor service. So here a person has taken an internet connection and the network is not working properly. So what is his complaint? He is telling that many times he has called the customer service, but he has not received any proper action. So he is telling that he will have to stop using that network connection. So he is telling that I will cancel my account, or I will cancel my network connection with you. So that is the solution problem that he is telling. And he is also telling that if the problem is not resolved, he will not pay the bill for 1 month. So network connection, we know every month we have to pay bill for it. So he is telling that I will not pay the bill for it. So that is another kind of solution which is mentioned as a complaint. So my dear children, I hope the letter writing, the complaint letter is very clear to you. Focus on the format of the letter which is already known to you, but when you are writing a complaint letter, in the content part, introduction, the first paragraph itself, the important points to be mentioned there is, first of all, you have to write the product. the product should be mentioned. Whatever product you are using, that product should be mentioned very clearly. Then the second part is your date of purchase. When you have purchased that product, that date of purchase should also be mentioned in your first line of the content. Third is the bill number or invoice number. You can create any sort of numbers over there as your bill number and your invoice number. Then the last is the amount of purchase. The amount which the product has been purchased. These 4 items very important to remember when you write the complaint letter. So these are the 4 items that needs to be remembered when you write the complaint letter. Whenever a teacher is correcting, she will only look for these 4 items in your letter writing. So the product is there, date of purchase, bill number and amount of purchase is there. Definitely it is going to fetch you more marks. So is it clear, my children? So with this we are concluding today's class. Learn the format and the instructions given to you properly. I am also giving you one assignment for you to do. I want all of you to attempt that assignment and send it by mail to me. Okay? So till we meet again, have a wonderful day. Keep working hard and be good children. Thank you.